Welcome to the second session. So today we are going to solve the problems in complex numbers. In that, the first problem is write the complex number 4 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 3i in the form a plus ib. That means we have to convert this given complex number into the form a plus ib. Okay. For this, take the given complex number, that is 4 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 3i. So this is equals to, here we are multiplying the terms which are in denominator. Again, 2 into 4, that is 8. Next, 2 into minus 3, minus 6i. Next, 3 into 4, 12, that is plus 12i. Next, plus into minus, here it is plus, here it is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 3, 9, and I into I square. So this is equals to 4 plus 3i by 8 plus 6i, minus 6i plus 12i is plus 6i. Next, minus 9 into, we know that I square value is minus 1, so it is substituting here. I square equals to minus 1. So this is equals to 4 plus 3i by 8 plus 6i, minus into minus, it is plus, so 9 into 1 is 9. So this is equals to 4 plus 3i by 8 plus 9, it is 17 plus 6i. So here 4 plus 3i by 17 plus 6i. Okay. We are rationalizing the denominator of this complex number 4 plus 3i by 17 plus 6i. This denominator is 17 plus 6i. We are rationalizing with this denominator. So this is into 17 minus 6i by 17 minus 6i. So this is equals to 4 plus 3i into 17 minus 6i by 17 plus 6i into 17 minus 6i. So this is equals to, multiply these two terms, 4 into 17. 17 for the 4 into 17, 17 for the 64, 68. Next, 4 into minus 6, this is 24i. Next, 17 into 3, this is 51i minus, here it is 18, I into I is I square by 17 17s are 17 17s are. Next, minus, plus into minus is minus, 6 6 are 36, I into I is I square. So this is equals to, okay. Okay. So 68 minus 24i plus 51i, 51i minus 18i square by 289 minus 36i square. So in next step, 68 plus minus 24i plus 51i is plus 27i. Next, minus 18 into I square value is minus 1. So substituting here. Next, 289 minus 36 into I square value is again minus 1. So now, so this is equal to, here it is 68 plus 27i, minus into minus is plus 18 by 289 plus 36. Here minus into minus again plus. So this is equals to 68 plus 18. 68 plus 18 is 86 plus 27i by 289 plus 36. It is 325. So this is equals to, I am separating this denominator to the two parts. So here 86 by 325 plus 27 by 325i. So now here it is in the form of a plus ib. So it is in form of, a plus ib. So here a equals to 86 by 325 and b equals to 27 by 325. Fifth one, write the complex number 1 plus 2i whole power 3 in the form a plus ib. For this, consider the given complex number, that is 1 plus 2i whole power 3. Okay, my dear students, we have a formula, that is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, now apply this formula to the given complex number, that is 1 cube plus 2i whole cube plus 3 into 1 into 2i 3 1 to 1 square into 2i plus 3 into 1 into 2i whole square a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, now simplification. 1 cube is 1 plus 2i whole power 3, that means 2 cube is 8 and I cube plus 3 into 1 square is 1 into 2i plus 3 into 1 is 3 into 2 square. 2 square is 4 and I square. So this is equals to 1 plus 8 I cube plus 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6i plus 3 into 4 is 12 I square. So this is equals to 1 plus 8 into I cube can be written as I square into I plus 6i plus 12 into I square value is minus 1. So this is equals to 1 plus 8 into I square value is minus 1 into I plus 6i. The plus into minus is minus 12. So this is equals to 1. This is minus 8i next plus 6i minus 12. So this is equals to 1 minus 12 is minus 11. Next minus 8i plus 6i is minus 2i. Now it is in form of a plus ib. Okay, it is a plus ib form. So here a equals to minus 11 and b equals to minus 2. Okay, 7th one, write I power minus 19 in a plus ib form. Okay, now take I power minus 19. So this is equals to, this can be written as 1 by I power 19. We have a formula, that is a power minus m can be written as 1 by a power m. Okay, so this is equals to, multiply and divide with I, that is 1 by I power 19 into I by I. So this is equals to 1 into I is I by I power 19 into I, this is I power 20. So this is equals to I by I power 20 can be written as in the form of I square to the power of 10, I power 2 whole power 10. Why? Because we have the value for I square, so that's why we are converting this I power 20 into I square to the power of 10. So this is equals to I by I square value is minus 1 to the power of 10. So this is equals to I by, power is even, so whether it is minus it becomes to plus, so minus 1 to the power of 10 becomes 1. So this is equals to I by 1 is I. So this can be written as 0 plus I. Now it is in the form of a plus ib. Okay, next 8th problem, write I power 9 in a plus ib form. Now take I power 9. Now it can be written in the form of I square terms. So I square to the power of 4 into I. So I power 9 can be written as I power 8 into I. Here 2 into 4 is 8. So I power 8 into I. So this is equals to I square value is minus 1 to the power of 4 into I. So this is equals to, power is even, so minus becomes plus. So minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1 into I. So this is equals to I. It can be written as 0 plus I. Now it is in a plus ib form. It is in a plus ib form. Okay, whenever there is a I power term, we have to convert that term into I square power something. Okay, next 10th problem, find the real and imaginary parts of 2 plus 5i by 3 minus 2i plus 2 minus 5i by 3 plus 2i. For this, consider the given complex number, that is 2 plus 5i by 3 minus 2i plus 2 minus 5i by 3 plus 2i. So this is equals to, so make the LCM of these two terms. The LCM is minus 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i. Now cross multiplication, 2 plus 5i into 3 plus 2i. 2 plus 5i into 3 plus 2i. Next plus 2 minus 5i into 3 minus 2i. 2 plus 5i into 3 plus 2i. and 2 minus 5i into 3 minus 2i by 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i. So this is equals to 2 into 3 is 6. Next 2 into 2 is 4i. 2 into 2i is 4i. Next plus 5 into 3 15i. 5i into 3 is 59. Next plus 5 into 2 10 and I into I is I square. So 10i square plus now here 2 into 3 6. Next 2 into minus 2i minus 4i. Next minus 5i into 3, this is minus 15i. Next minus into minus becomes plus 5 into 2 10 and I into I square. So 10i square by, so here 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i. 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i, it is, we have a formula a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is formula for a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i is 3 square minus 2i whole square. So this is equals to here 6 plus 6, it is 12. Next 4i plus 15i minus 4i minus 59. 4i minus 4i gets cancelled. 59 minus 59 gets cancelled. Next 10i square plus 10i square. 10i square plus 10i square is plus 20i square by 3 square is 9 minus 2i whole square is 2 square is 4 and I square 4i square. So this is equals to 12 plus 20 into I square value is minus 1 by 9 minus 4 into I square value is again minus 1, since I square equals to minus 1. Okay, now here 12 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1 is minus 20 by 9 minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4. So this is equals to, now here 12 minus 20, 12 minus 20 is minus 8 by 9 plus 4 is 13. So here the answer is minus 8 by 13. Here we don't have imaginary term, so this can be written as minus 8 by 13 plus 0i. It can be written as minus 8 by 13 plus 0i. So in this, the real part is minus 8 by 13, real part is minus 8 by 13 and imaginary part is 0. Imaginary part is 0. Why? Because we don't have I term here. For this we have written here plus 0i, minus 8 by 13 plus 0i. It is in the form of a plus ib. Now real part is minus 8 by 13 and imaginary part is 0. Okay. Next problem is 12th one. If 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 3 minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole power 3 equals to x plus I by, then find the values of x and y. We have to find the values of x and y. What we say, consider that it is given that x plus I by equals to 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 3 minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole power 3. So this is equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. I am rationalizing the denominator of this first part, 1 minus I. So multiply and divide with 1 plus I term. So that means rationalizing the denominator. In the same way, in second part also we have to rationalize the denominator, that is 1 plus I into. So this is equal to 1 minus I by 1 minus I whole power 3. In first step we have rationalized the denominator of these two parts. Okay. So this is equal to here 1 plus I into 1 plus I. That means 1 into 1 is 1. Next 1 into I is I. Next I into 1 is I. Next plus into plus I into I is I square plus I square by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So it becomes a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square, that means 1 square minus I square. Okay. Next, this is whole power 3 minus, the same way multiply the numerators. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus I is minus I. Minus I into 1 is minus I. Next, minus into minus is plus, and I into I is I square by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. That means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, again a square minus b square. So 1 square minus I square whole to the power of 3. So this is equals to 1 plus I is 2I. I square value is minus 1 by, this is 1. This is minus of I square value is minus 1. This is all to the power of 3 minus, next 1 minus I is minus 2I. Next, plus I square value is minus 1 by 1 square value is 1 minus I square value is minus 1 whole to the power of 3. Okay, so this is equals to 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Here also 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Now it remains 2I by 1 minus into minus plus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. It is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 whole power 3 minus, next, here is minus 2I by 1 minus into minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 is again 2 whole to the power of 3. So 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Now here this is equals to I power 3 minus I power 3. So this is equals to I power 3. I power 3 minus, here it is minus, power is odd number. So again the term becomes minus. So already here we have minus. So minus into minus plus, it is I cube. So this is equals to I cube plus I cube is 2 I cube. So this is equals to 2 into I cube can be written as I square into I. So this is equals to 2 into I square value is minus 1 into I. So this is equals to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into I is minus 2I. Minus 2I. So here we can write as 0 minus 2I. Here it is x plus I and y equals to 0 minus 2I. Therefore x value is 0 and y value is minus 2. X value is 0 and y value is minus 2. We got the answer minus 2I. Minus 2I. So x plus iy equals to minus 2I. So real part is 0. I am writing here 0 minus 2I. Minus 2I can be written 0 minus 2I. So it is from x plus iy. So I am equating the x and y terms. So x equals to 0. X is the real part and y is imaginary part. So x equals to 0 and y equals to minus 2. Okay. 14th problem. Write the conjugate of the complex number 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 20i. 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 20i. We have to find the conjugate of this complex number. But here we have two complex numbers. This is one complex number and this is also one complex number. So two complex numbers. First we have to convert these two complex numbers into one complex number. That means a plus ib form. First we have to convert this into a plus ib form. Then we have to find the conjugate. So now take the given two complex numbers, that is 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 20i. So this can be written as 15 plus 3i, multiply with minus here, minus 4, next minus into minus is plus 20i. So this is equals to 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11, next plus 3i plus 20i. This is plus 23i. Now it is in a plus ib form, that is one complex number. The given two complex numbers are converted into one single complex number. Now we have to find the conjugate of the complex number. We know that if z equals to a plus ib is the given complex number, next conjugate is z bar equals to a minus ib. You have to remember the formula. Z equals to a plus ib is the given complex number, then conjugate of the complex number is z bar equals to a plus ib. That means we have to change the sign of the imaginary part to find the conjugate. So that means 11 plus 23i is the complex number. For this, the conjugate is conjugate of given complex number. Given complex number. Conjugate of given complex number equals to, the answer is we have to convert the sign of imaginary part. That is 11 remains the same, this sign does not changes, but the imaginary part sign is plus, so we have to convert this plus into minus. So answer is 11 minus 23i. This is the conjugate of given complex number. Okay, write the conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. So this is equal to, again here we have two complex numbers. First we have to convert these two complex numbers into one single complex number. So 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. That means here we have to product these two complex numbers. So 3 into 2 is 6. Next 3 into minus 3 is minus 9i. Next 4 into 2 is 8i. Next 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. And I into I is I square. So this is equals to 6 minus 8 minus 9i plus 8i is minus I. Next minus 12 into I square value is minus 1. So this is equals to 6 minus I minus into minus plus 12. So this is equals to 6 plus 12 is 18 minus I. Now here we have single complex number. First we have converted the two complex numbers into single complex number. So now the conjugate. So now the conjugate of given complex number. Conjugate of given complex number. Conjugate of given complex number equals to 18 plus I. 18 plus I. Here we got 18 minus I, the given complex number. Next, the conjugate is, we have to convert the sign of the imaginary part. Here we have minus, so we have to convert that is into plus. The answer is 18 plus I. Okay. The next problem 71 is write the conjugate of 5i by 7 plus I. 5i by 7 plus I. Okay. Now take the given complex number 5i by 7 plus I. Here observe that here we have numerator and denominator. So we have to convert these terms into a plus ib form. A plus ib form. Already we have done that. The rationalizing the denominator. So 5i by 7 plus I. First we have to rationalize the denominator. That is multiplying divide with 7 minus I. So 7 minus I by 7 minus I. So 5i by 7 plus I into 7 minus I by 7 minus I. So this is equals to, so 5i into 7 minus I by 7 plus I into 7 minus I. So this is equals to 5i into 7. 5 into 7 is 35i minus 5i into I. 5i into I is 5i square by 7 plus I into 7 minus I. That means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. This becomes a square minus b square. So 7 square minus I square. So this is equals to 35i minus 5 into I square value minus 1 by 7 square is 49 minus I square value is minus 1. So here I square is minus 1. So I square 5i square, that is 5 into minus 1, I square is here, that is minus 1. So this is equals to 35i. So minus into minus is plus 5 by, this is 49, minus into minus is plus 1. So this is equals to 35i plus 5 by 49 plus 1 is 50. So this is equals to, we can take 5 common here. 5 into 7i plus 1 by 50. 7i plus 1 by 50. So 5 into 10 is 50. Okay. 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 So here 5 into 10 is 50. So here it remains that 7i plus 1 by 10. So this is equals to, we can write as 1 plus 7i by 10 or 1 by 10 plus 7i by 10. Now we got here this way. So now the conjugate, therefore conjugate equals to, conjugate of given complex number is 1 by 10 is minus 7 by 10 I. 1 by 10 minus 7 by 10 into I. Okay. Next problem. Find the additive inverse of minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 comma minus 4. Find the additive inverse of minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 comma minus 4. Okay. Now the solution. Here minus 6 comma 5 plus 10 comma minus 4 can be written as minus 6 plus 5i plus 10 minus 4i. Minus 6 plus 5i plus 10 minus 4i. So this is equals to, first we have to convert the given points into complex number form, like a plus ib form. So minus 6 comma 5 can be written as minus 6 plus 5i. Simply a comma b, a comma b can be written as a plus ib. Okay, a comma b can be written as a plus ib. So now add minus 6 plus 10. This is minus 6 plus 5i plus 10 minus 4i. So this is equals to minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Next 5i minus 4i. 5i minus 4i is plus I. So now additive inverse of given complex number. Additive inverse of given complex number. Additive inverse of given complex number equals to, that means we have to convert the signs of both real part and imaginary part. That means minus 4 minus I is the answer. So, okay. So next 22nd problem is find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. We are going to find the multiplicative inverse. So now first consider the given complex number. Let given complex number is z equals to root 5 plus 3i. If the given complex number is z equals to root 5 plus 3i. Now it is in the form of a plus ib. It is in the form of a plus ib. So here check for the values of a and b here. Here a equals to root 5 and b equals to 3. A equals to root 5 and b equals to 3. A equals to root 5 and b equals to 3. Now we have the multiplicative inverse formula. Multiplicative inverse equals to, formula is a minus ib by a square plus b square. Formula is multiplicative inverse equals to a minus ib by a square plus b square. So this is equals to, a value is root 5 and b value equals to 3. Now simply substitute these values in the given formula. So a equals to root 5, next minus 3i by a square. A square is root 5 whole square, next plus b value is 3 square. So this is equals to root 5 minus 3i by root 5 square. Root 5 square means square root gets cancelled. So 5 plus 3 square is 9. So this is equals to root 5 minus 3i by 14. This is the answer for multiplicative inverse of given complex number, or we can write this denominator outside, that is 1 by 14 into root 5 minus 3i. This is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, 24th problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of sin theta comma cos theta. Find the multiplicative inverse of sin theta comma cos theta. First consider the given complex number is z equals to sin theta plus I cos theta. Sin theta plus I cos theta. Why? Because I am writing here, if a comma b is the given point, we can convert this point into complex number as a plus ib. So a comma b can be written as a plus ib. So in the same way, sin theta comma cos theta can be written as sin theta plus I cos theta. Okay. Now now check here the values for a and b. So a equals to sin theta and b equals to cos theta here. Now we are going to find the multiplicative inverse. So the formula is multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse equals to, formula is a minus ib by a square plus b square. So this is equals to a minus ib, that means sin theta minus I cos theta, sin theta minus I cos theta by a square plus b square, that means sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square, sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square. So this is equals to sin theta minus I cos theta by sin theta whole square means sin square theta plus cos theta whole square is cos square theta. So this is equals to sin theta minus I cos theta, sin theta minus I cos theta by 1. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So substitute this value here. So here it becomes sin theta minus I cos theta. This is the multiplicative inverse for the given complex number. Okay. The next 31st problem is find the square root. Find the square root of minus 5 plus 12i. Find the square root of minus 5 plus 12i. So first, where the given complex number is z equals to minus 5 plus 12i. Now it is in the form of a plus ib, a plus ib. So check the values of a and b here. Here a equals to minus 5 and b equals to 12. Now find the modulus value, that is r equals to, we have formula a square plus b square. Find the r value. We have formula r equals to under root of a square plus b square. So this is equal to under root of minus 5 square plus 12 square. So this is equals to under root of minus 5 square value is 25 plus 12 square value is 144. So this is equals to under root of 169. It becomes 13. Root 169 is 13. So r equals to 13. R value is 13. So now the square root formula, square root equals to, formula is plus or minus under root of r plus a by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a by 2. Now substitute these r and a values here. R value is 13 and a value is minus 5. Substitute here, and so this is equals to plus or minus r. R value is 13. Next a value is minus 5 by 2. This is under root of 13 minus 5 by 2 plus I into under root of r value is 13 minus a value is again minus 5 by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is how much? 13 minus 5 is 8 by 2 plus I into under root of 13 minus into minus is plus 5, 13 plus 5. Here minus into minus becomes plus. So 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18 by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of 8 by 2. Here 2 4 is 8. That means root 4 plus I into under root of 18 by 2. 2 1 are 2 9s are. So 9 root 9. So this is equals to plus or minus root 4 value is 2 plus I into root 9 value is 3. Root 9 value is 3. So this becomes 3I. This is square root. Plus or minus 2 plus 3I is the square root value for the given complex number. Okay. The square root of minus 47 plus 8 root 3I. Minus 47 plus 8 root 3I. So okay students, here to find the square root of a complex number, first we have to find the R value. Formula for R is under root of a square plus b square. So check the values of a and b here and then substitute in the square root formula. So okay, now let the given complex number is z equals to minus 47 plus 8 root 3I. So here it is in the form of a plus ib. It is in the form of a plus ib. It is a and it is b here. So check the values of a and b first. So here a equals to minus 47 and b equals to 8 root 3. Then we have to find the value of r. The formula for r is under root of a square plus b square. So substitute the values of a and b here. So minus 47 whole square plus 8 root 3 whole square. Okay. So this is equals to under root of minus 47 whole square. That means minus into minus becomes plus. So 47 into 47 is 2209 plus 8 root 3 whole square. 8 root 3 whole square is 8 square. 8 square is 64 and root 3 square. Root 3 square means square root gets cancelled. It becomes 3. 64 into 3. So this is equals to under root of 2209 plus 64 into 3 is 192. Okay. So this is equals to under root of 2209 plus 192. Okay. 2401. So this becomes R equals to 2401 is 49. Under root of 2401 is equals to 49. 49 into 49 is 2401. So our value becomes 49. Now we have to write the formula for square root. Square root equals to, formula is plus or minus under root of r plus a by 2 plus I into under root of r minus a by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of, substitute r and a values here. R value is 49, a value is minus 47. So here it is 49 minus 47 by 2 plus I into under root of 49 minus 47 by 2. 49 minus 47 by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of 49 minus 47 is 2. That is 2 by 2 plus I into under root of 49 minus into minus is plus. That means 49 plus 47. Okay. By 2. And it is by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus under root of 2 gets cancelled. This is 1 plus I into under root of 96 by 2. 96 by 2 means 2 4 by 8, 2 8 is 16. This is root 48. So this is equals to plus or minus root 1 is 1 plus I into root 48. I into root 48 means root 48 I, or it can be written as root 48 can be written as plus or minus 1 plus root 48. Root 49 means 12 for the 48. So 4 can be written outside, that is 2 root 12. 2 root 12 into I. Okay. This is square root. Root 48 can be written as 2 root 12. If 2 goes into the square, it becomes 4. 4 into 12 is again 48. So root 48 can be written as 2 root 12 I. Okay. My dear students, Next topic is modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form in examination it is very important. One question will be definitely given in annual examination. So please be careful here. Modulus amplitude form. And the 34th question is express